Wait, do I know you?
The city never sleeps, but I feel like I've never been awake. Is this heaven?
Your fare, sir. A memory you no longer need.
I recognize this song from my childhood.
Have you seen her? She was wearing a blue dress.
Everything is backwards here.
I haven't dreamed in 14 years, just spreadsheets.
Even spreadsheets have a pattern, but you have none.
It's beautiful and terrifying all at once.
Welcome to the end of the line. I am Tsukiko.
Would you like to taste your first summer again?
I forgot how much I loved her. The fireflies, they were so bright back then.
Don't touch that. Some things are better forgotten. I can see the colors again! 1,000 stories, all waiting to return.
Haruki, where are you? This is your third no-show.
You're doing fine, son. Just breathe.
I died waiting for a train that never came.
The train pushes, stopping on platform.
The world can wait. I'm not ready to leave. Wait. What was my apartment number? Surface.
Haruki, call me when you get this.
They weren't killed by the tracks, but by their silence.
I made a promise to stay in Tsude until the last soul found peace.
It's too much! All these voices!
I miss feeling everything.
Drink this. It's time for us both to move on.
光が何だったか忘れてしまったよ。
Last call for reality.
The pain is real, and that's why it's worth it.
Good morning.
This tea, Haruki. It's like as mid years of waiting distilled into a single scene yet.
I've forgotten what light looked like. It's almost too much to bear.
Last call for reality. This train will not return to this station for another lifetime.